Welcome back. Got done putting the radio in today. I'm going to show it off here with the power off at the moment, and then show you where this neat little speaker is that somebody installed before it was sent to me. And it's just stuck on there. It's I thought it was a unique thing, but apparently they just velcroed it on. So we'll go back and turn the radio on so you can hear it. And it seems to fit in there nice. Not perfect by any means, but how can I complain for a $26 radio from Walmart? And of course I got the speaker down here on the right, which we can't really see. How about this? There it is there. And then we'll turn it off. Another neat thing is for a cheap radio, you've got things like a USB port that you can just open up right here and just put a USB in there. It's also Bluetooth, and it does cell phone or whatnot. Not bad for a little $25 radio. Can't complain. But I'll be putting a double DIN touchscreen in there eventually, once I get everything else sorted out. But this is just there for the time being. Thank you for watching.